If you're experiencing login errors on Lyft, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back on the road quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. Step 2. Update the Lyft app. Make sure you have the latest version of the Lyft app installed. Go to your device's app store, search for Lyft, and update if necessary. Step 3. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Clear app cache. For Android users, clearing the app cache can help resolve login issues. Go to your device settings, find the Lyft app, and select Clear Cache. For iOS users, you may need to uninstall and reinstall the app. Step 5. Contact Lyft support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Lyft support for assistance. You can do this through the app or their website, where you can explain your issue and get help. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login errors on Lyft. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from the support team.